Hey Julian, I'm ready to learn Spanish today. Teach me how to say hello.
Sure, we say hola.
Hola, hola. Did I say it right?
Yes, that was perfect.
Great! What about how are you?
It's easy too. We say ¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
No. Tacos is food. You are asking how are you, not ordering food. It's ¿Cómo estás?
Oh, I got it. ¿Cómo estás?
Exacto, muy bien.
What do I say if I'm fine?
You say estoy bien.
That's easy. Estoy bien means I'm fine.
Sí, muy bien, amiga.
Great! What's next?
If someone says hola, you answer hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Eso, perfecto. Now you are improving.
See? I'm a fast learner. What's the Spanish word for awesome?
We say genial.
Banial?
No. Pañal means nappies.
Oh my god! Repeat it, please.
Genial.
Got it. So Spanish is genial.
Exacto.
Thank you, amigo. By the way, how we say thank you in Spanish?
Gracias.
Gracias, amigo. Let's have some delicious tacos. I'm so hungry.
Let's go.